Everyone, we are going to see about TypeScript with Node.js. Using TypeScript with Node.js allows you to create server-side application with all the benefits of TypeScript, type checking, and static analysis. Here's a detailed guide on how to set up and use TypeScript with Node.js. TypeScript with Node.js. First, we want to first open VS Code and go to terminal. First, we want to install TypeScript globally if you haven't already. npm i-g TypeScript. After that, we want to set up a TypeScript project. Initializing a new Node.js project, we want to create a directory mkdir my node app. After that, npm init -y. It will create a package.json. See, we are getting the name my node app. This was the node. Next, we want to install TypeScript as a dev dependency. For that, npm i TypeScript --save -dev. This will install TypeScript as a dev dependency. After installing, we want to initialize TypeScript configuration. For that, npx tsc -init. See, we have created tsconfig.json. Next, we want to create a TypeScript file. For that, app.ts indicates TypeScript. Next, I am going to function greeter name is string and then I am going to return name. Next, I am going to console log greeter Next, we want to compile TypeScript to JavaScript. For compiling TypeScript code to JavaScript, we want to use a command npxtsc. See that this command will create an app.js, same like app.ts. It is using use strict and it was creating a function greeter name which we have written here, that will create in app.js also. Now we want to run the Node.js application. For that, Node app. See, I am getting hello TypeScript with Node.js. Like this, we want to use Node.js with TypeScript. Using TypeScript with Node.js allows you to take advantages of TypeScript's static type checking, modern JavaScript features like developing Node.js application. By following these steps, you can set up and start using TypeScript with Node.js in your projects. Thank you.